Alright, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Microplane Zester Grater. This is a really solid piece of kitchen equipment, small kitchen equipment that I honestly believe, if you're into cooking whatsoever, you should for sure get one of these. Yeah, I mean, they're really good for a number of things. If you're zesting citrus, these are, really great tools to have. Also, if you are grating cheese, it's a much better alternative to the big, bulky, like pyramid kind of shaped cheese graters that you often see. It's something for, better for smaller portions as well. And so I would highly recommend that to anyone who needs a new zester grater. To start, right here off the bat, I want to just say it is made in the USA, this blade. You know you're getting better quality when it's USA made, and the blade is made out of a stainless steel. Even though it looks and is pretty much very thin, it's also very strong. I'm really pressing on it right now. You can't bend this thing whatsoever. It's really stuck in there really nicely. So essentially, if these grating blades, they're really ultra sharp. It's basically like a photo etch sort of thing. So, you can see that they're pretty even throughout the entire blade, which is cool. Get a nice even zesting plane from top to bottom. So I zest citrus with these things. Essentially, it has this really good kind of tooth set for taking off rind right off of the citrus fruit. So, you can basically get all that without getting any of the bitter white pith that you find inside of those kinds of fruits. And it's great for a number of things. I mean, you can use it for salads. You can make, different types of desserts if you want fruit in them. You can make, I do it a lot with actually vinaigrettes. You can zest lemons and things like that. A number of things. Cook a lot of Thai food too. The list goes on and on. It's my point. Zesting is really great for adding flavor, and this thing does it really well. Beyond that, you can grate cheese. I'm a big lover of Italian food, and so I always get blocks of Parmesan when I'm at the market. You're able to really grind up and get good mounds of Parmesan. And it looks really nice. I mean, they're not going to be the shaved kind. It's going to be, the very small, kind of flaky kind. But it's really nice. So if you're eating pasta, or you want, pizza, or whatever it is, you can sprinkle some Parmesan down that just by using this grater to grate it. So let's talk a little bit about the actual shape of this bad boy. So the handle you have on top, this is made from a pretty lightweight black plastic. The whole thing is really lightweight. Begin. It's very easy to hold. Feels very comfortable in your hand. You can really grate for longer periods of time without it feeling like there's stress on your hand or anything like that. The stainless steel, I've had this for quite a while now, and I've washed it a million times. Washing it, you have to be careful because you don't want to cut the sponges that you're using. The grating teeth can be a little bit sharp, so that can be kind of a pain, but not the worst thing in the world. Cool thing is because it's this genuine stainless steel, it's not going to rust over time. If you're familiar with, really good stainless steel products, then it's basically like those. Cool thing is too, we have magnetic strips that are on our walls. This is totally magnetized as well, so we can just basically put it up there for storing it. Cool thing is, if you don't have one of those, it has this little hole in the back. This can be used to hook in your product, your microplane, so that you can, keep it hung up on a wall or something and kind of keep it out of the way. Even so, it's very thin, much more practical in terms of storage than a regular grater. So that's a nice thing, although maybe not as versatile because you are only getting small bits. Other than that, if you're looking for a nice kind of double-use kitchen tool for zesting and grating, I would highly recommend this one. It's very inexpensive, yet very effective. It's the Microplane Zester Grater, and yeah, check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.